Hello, guys, welcome back. How are you all? I hope that you all are in good health, fit, and fine. So, guys, in today's video, I'm going to discuss about or I'm going to give you some tips about how I learned my English speaking. Okay, what I did to improve my spoken skills. So, without wasting time, let's begin the video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it so that you can get notification of the new videos that are coming on my channel. So let's begin with the first point. Start with the basics and keep it simple. Start with the basics and keep it simple. What does it mean? It means that when you are a beginner, okay, you have to keep the things simple for you. Okay, so don't rush towards the advanced phrases or idioms. Okay, just start with the simple words like greetings, how to introduce yourself, how to describe something. Okay, learn some action words like reading, writing, eating, okay, walking, dancing, or like cooking. All these are simple action words. So for this, what you have to do, you have to prepare at least 100 common vocabulary words. Okay, you just have to prepare or learn at least 100 words that are used most commonly in our daily work. Okay, so now comes the tip number 2. So make your daily plan. All right, so before starting your day or a night previous, you just write it down that what you are going to do for the entire day. Note it down and prepare a schedule. Write down what are all your goals for today, like you have to learn some words or you have to watch TV or some movie. Just write it down and work accordingly. Believe me, guys, if we don't have any plan written somewhere, we just cannot focus on it and we just skip many things in between, because in our life there are many situations or things that are coming suddenly. Okay, so doing those things, you just skip what you are going to do now next. So if you have a plan, you can follow that and you can just tick it that I have done this today and I have completed this task. So you have to plan your day. So now tip number 3 is um, watch videos on YouTube. Okay, watch videos on YouTube. Start with the basic videos, like the videos in which you are getting the information that how to talk about yourself. Okay, how to describe something. Okay, what are all the kinds of food names or birds name or creatures. You can just follow all these simple videos and pick up the words that are not familiar to you. Write it down somewhere and just google the meaning of it. Once you google the meaning of it and you now know that the meaning is this, you can now start using that word in the sentences. Okay, so do this on regular basis. Now the tip number 3 is very useful. Listen to the songs of kids, like basic rhymes, English rhymes. So I am telling you this because if you jump to the Hollywood songs, they you are not able to like understand it completely, or more, because their fluency is that much, their accent is that much that you hardly understand what they are saying. So start getting into practice by listening to the kids rhymes or songs, because they are very simple to understand. They have very simple vocabulary used. So once you start listening to it, you can always on the subtitles also. If you are not able to understand, write it down again the new words and just start googling the meaning, and you can start using it in the um, sentences. But see that you have to do on daily basis and you have to plan it accordingly. Okay, you just have to plan your day according to all these activities. The last tip is, like, if you're watching these you can say movies or songs or rhymes, turn on the subtitles and start speaking. Okay, um like even if you watch some shorts, okay, watch it 4 or 5 times. Okay, and turn on the subtitles. First watch, In the next round you can start speaking also along with the subtitles. This like speaking aloud will not only help you to memorize things, but also it will like improve your speaking, and also it will build your confidence of like speaking fluently. So do this speaking exercise on daily basis. You will get a lot from this exercise. So guys, all these points I have followed, and still I do follow, because see, there are some songs or some singers like who sung the song, but I also get confused that what actually they are singing. So I also turn on the subtitles to know what exactly they are saying, and then I also start repeating. Or if I don't know the word, I also google the meaning of the word in Hindi and in English both, so that I can use it in my like speaking frequently. So follow all these tips, and I hope that these tips will actually help you. And if you have any query, you can mention in the comment box. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.